Welcome.
What's happening, Joe? Joey boy?
Welcome to this large stream.
Yeah. Joe, post the link in the
I'll post the link in the Discord group.
You posted it in there?
I'm gonna do it right now.
Yeah, cool.
2 seconds.
Oh, God. Sorry,
If we get any trades on today, I doubt it, but they usually come in the afternoon. But let's see.
Yeah. Let me just. So basically got this weekend. The weekend I went. So this weekend, let me share my screen. Am I sharing my screen?
2 seconds. I'm gonna go back to the streamer.
Or you can show yours. It's fine.
Yeah, you can talk a bit about that first because I'm gonna just. Yes. Let's see if we get anyone joining.
Oh, God.
Members chat live now.
Yeah. Right, Joe, flip the screen so I can just run through something, please. All right, forget that. Actually, wait, stop sharing that. Sorry.
You can share a new one, probably.
Yeah, one sec. Right. So, guys, let me show you something. What's going on? So, the party does not start until where are we?
The fat lady sings.
Pardon?
Yeah, the party doesn't stop until the fat lady sings.
Wait, the party doesn't start until. I thought I had this up anyway. Fuck's sake, man. I'm sure I had this up. The party doesn't start until this breaks, yeah? Get rid of that. Right. Until this breaks, the party doesn't start. The alt party doesn't start. Hang on a minute. Well, to be actually, wait 1 second.
Haven't we actually broken out?
I'm just trying to find out. Did it pump last night? Oh my God, shit! I didn't even see. Even see that. Look, it broke last night. Fuck. The fuck was I doing? Fuck. Right, guys, ignore that. The party started. I didn't even see that. Shit. Right, the party started, guys. It started. So I had it drawn here, yeah, last week, thinking, yeah, it hasn't broke yet, it hasn't broke. And then look, yesterday we got let's say here, yesterday we got a massive bullish candle. Right, guys, alt season's here. It's here. Perfect. So now we've got the Ethereum. I don't know if I mentioned it to you guys before. Ethereum is basically the index of altcoins. So until Ethereum is the daddy, yeah, and is dominating everything, nothing can happen with alt season. Ethereum has to lead the way for alt season, yeah. So first it goes Bitcoin, then it goes Ethereum. Once Ethereum's running the show, then alt seasons, all your rest of your coins will start to fly. Then Ethereum will slow down, and then your alt coins will go through the roof. But now we've got a bit of momentum, so this is perfect. If we look at,
you could actually see that yesterday on Link as well. Had a really nice.
If I show you Bitcoin dominance, you should see Bitcoin dominance is going to fall. Yeah. So there we go. Bitcoin dominance. Obviously, we know that Bitcoin is the daddy. Yeah. But right about now, it's taking a break. It's taking a bit of time off. Yeah. So that's what we've got. We had a bull, bear run, retest. Yeah. Correction. This is on a monthly, obviously. Correction. Boom, boom, boom. Take the stops out. Now that's going to drop down there. So, fuck, I've got a headache, man. Yeah. So this is what we've got now. This is exactly what we've got. So this is now broken out. I didn't even know that happened. So that's broken out. This is now broken out. So if we go to the daily, we go to the daily, so don't quote me on this. Yeah, we've got to move. Oh shit, we've got to move up here. So we've got something like that. We'll probably get something like this. Yeah, little bullish flag like that. So don't expect us to go anywhere for a couple of days. It probably won't happen. But that's what I'm expecting. So now it's basically alt season now, guys. So whatever you're looking at is prime, ready to go. So what's at the moment we've got RSR. Is what we're looking at. This bad boy's gonna go. Yeah, this is gonna go. This week is gonna be quite big, I think. We've got ZIL. That's gonna go. All these markets look the same. Every single one of them. They all look the same against the, oh shit. They all look the same against the dollar. If you're looking at anything against Bitcoin now, anything against Bitcoin should look very bullish. Here we go. Here we've got RSR. Yeah. This is a DeFi project. Even though I didn't class it as one, this is a DeFi project. So let's say you've got 1 Bitcoin, yeah? I'm expecting within a few days or a week or so, you're gonna have 1.3 Bitcoin. Yeah. This is against obviously the dollar. Sorry, Bitcoin. I'm expecting that to push up to here. Once it gets to here, you'll probably see some sort of profit taking. So don't be afraid to take money off the table. Yeah. I know obviously we're in an alt season, and yes, it is going to go crazy, and yes, everyone's going to make 100%, 1,000%. Cool. But when price gets to certain levels, it does stay there for a little while. So even though we are in a bull market, you'll see that when price got to here, yeah, when price got to, all right, cool. When price got to here, it was still messing about on like the daily. It was look, it was in there. It was still fucking about for a week, yeah? So you just take profit there, and then when it breaks out, wait for a pullback and then buy it again. That's how you got to do it. You got to keep taking profit. You can't just sit in stuff, fucking sitting about doing cool.
Same as Bet, man. Vet's kind of been bugging me for the last couple of weeks, just sitting around doing absolutely nothing.
Yeah. Don't get me wrong. Vet's a huge project, bro. It's the biggest. Vet's the biggest project in China, mate.
Yeah, it is.
It's the biggest project. I've done my homework at the weekend. Vet is the biggest project in China. Yeah, in regards to blockchain, Vet is basically, there's like 2 projects, and Vet is the top one. So don't worry about Vet. It's gonna go, and when Vet does go, it's mad. And some of these see these Asian cryptos as well. They've got a lot of power. Like they're gonna do big numbers. Some of these Asian projects, I remember, they do different. They've just got access to different stuff and a lot more potential. Do you know what I mean? They've got a lot of people over there, and it's all managed like accordingly. So over there, they haven't got a lot of projects. They've just got few that will dominate. You know?
Yeah, they have, and Wet is a really good one. But if you have a look at the chart versus the versus Bitcoin, it's kind of been like sitting around since for the last 5 days or something at this kind of structure.
Yeah,
there.
Exactly. This is it.
When this goes, this is gonna go.
Yeah, this is the structure I was telling you about. So when I was saying to you just a minute ago, take profit at structure. Forget all this other shit. Look, I had this. Yeah, forget this.
But this still looks very, very bullish.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very, very bullish. So look, you've got this little level here. This is what I said to you. Once price gets to structure, like here, take profit. Take some profit, because all that's going to happen is you're going to sit in it. Yeah. You're sitting in it and nothing else is going on. And then this is going to break out. Once it breaks out, yeah, and it does a little pullback like that, boom, then you can get in, and then you get in again with a bit of leverage or whatever. You got to keep taking profits out of these markets. I've been looking. I don't know if you lot was in the whoever was into crypto in 2017. There was a lot of they were called ICOs, which is like initial coin offering. Yeah. Yep. Now DeFi is basically leading the way. That's what's going on. Decentralized finance. Yeah. This is a list I put together over the weekend. Oh god. Right. So these are the projects. These are all the DeFi projects. If you look at them, yeah. So I'll show you against the dollar. Yeah. Against over the weekend, look, this has gone up. Sushi over the weekend, gone up. Look, Uniswap, gone up. Aave, gone up. Yeah. Gone up. Link, gone up. Yeah, all these DeFi projects gone up. Yeah, all this. But when you look at little other projects that are not DeFi, yeah, they haven't done anything. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? So DeFi, yeah, it's either DeFi or other utility projects. You've got to switch between them, because when these projects are doing fuck all, yeah, look, you've got that which is running. This is a huge project that is going up. While all your other projects, look, you've got RSR done fuck all over the weekend, just sitting there. But then you've got that Link.
Yeah, Link is crazy to the weekend.
Link went up. Ave went up. Do you know what this is? Ave is a project. Ave used to be ETH Lend, yeah. So basically, what it is, you stake your coins with them. So it's a loan. It's a loan service. So let's say, all right, cool. Let's say you want a loan. This is what people are doing. I'll tell you right now. So you want a loan. You got a stake with them. Let's say 26 grand's worth of Bitcoin. If you give them 26K's worth of Bitcoin, which is like 0.8 Bitcoin, whatever it is, 26K, they will give you 20 grand of Bitcoin. So you give them the 26 grand worth of Bitcoin, they give you 20 grand to borrow, to borrow off them. The 20 grand you borrow off them, you then use it to buy more crypto. That's what people are doing. And they're making absolute fortunes, mate. They're making fucking fortunes off it. They've got a Bitcoin. They put it in They put it in Ave. Yeah. Ave say, all right, we've got your Bitcoin. Cool. We'll lend you this. They lend you something. The money that they lend you, you then go and use it to buy more crypto. Yeah. So let's say you've got 20K. You got 20K. You go and buy Alpha. Yeah. And then that's going to turn into 200K by the end of the year. So you've got 200K. You got to pay back. What do you call it? You get your money back out of what do you call it? Fucking Ave. And then you got to pay them 20% of what you borrowed or whatever it was. And that's it. That's what people are doing. They're literally staking their Bitcoin, using it as collateral, borrowing more money and using that to buy more crypto. It's fucking crazy, bro. So that's what people are doing right now. That's why these DeFi projects are going crazy. That's Ave, AAVE.
This is probably the question to the guy who asked in the group today, what's the top DeFi picks?
The top DeFi picks.
Yeah, right, what's your top DeFi picks to be accurate?
For me personally, I would, the ones I've got here. So Link, Link obviously is the top one. Then Ave, AAVE. This is expensive. That's $267 a coin at the moment. It's fucking flying, yeah. Ave, Uniswap, and Rune. Rune is like a staking pool situation. So Ave, Curve as well. Curve's going to be huge. If you look at Curve, Curve at the moment is $2 something. Its all-time high was fucking $30, mate.
Yeah.
It was $30. There's $2.49 at the moment, I think. Where is it? Yeah, it's $2.18. Yeah. The all-time high, look at the all-time high. The all-time high was 30. All right, cool. On here, it's not on here, but the all-time high was about $30. So if you buy it now, you can get a 15x. All you got to do is buy that now. Yeah. Curve. You know it's going to go back to the previous high, which is like $30. So you're going to make 15x. You put 10 grand in it, you're going to take 150K. Done. Simple.
And and obviously me and Daniel, we come from like trading indices, FX, commodities and stuff like that. So we've been talking about this before on the streams, but that you like if you want to invest now, but you can't fail. You can see the market go against you for a couple of days. But everything is about to go, like the big DeFi projects are about to go up, and but like for me in chain, I'm looking at like in chain, like if I could get an entry back at 20, I would buy even more.
Yeah. I mean, like you said, we're from a trading environment, so because we do that, that's why we're looking for the best entry and waiting for the pullback. But if you're not interested in none of that bullshit and you just want to make money and you've got 20 grand, buy the coin and just leave it, and then check our update, watch it, get in our channel, our Discord channel, and it will tell you when to come out and whatever. But yeah. When we starting the live trading again? When's that?
Wasn't we supposed to do some live trading tomorrow if we could manage to do that?
Yeah. You need to wait till you get the thing. but we need to wait till we get that thing. But once we get that, we'll start. So we just need something that we're waiting on. So a tool to like stream it. So basically, fuck's sake,
we're gonna trade Bitcoin up.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. That's what we're gonna do. All right, guys. So basically, we're gonna start live trading. Probably not tomorrow. Probably give it a couple of days. Yeah.
Yes, man.
Yeah. We're gonna start trading live in about 2 or 3 days. Yeah. We're gonna be trading Ether up. Yeah, because Ether is the one at the moment because that's leading the pack. Fuck Bitcoin for now. We're gonna trade Ether up. And we're gonna be trading leverage tokens. So I'll just explain to you how it works. So what we're gonna do is the chart we're gonna be looking at is this. Fuck sake. Is ETH up even a thing, Joe? Or is it ETH longs?
You need to write P instead of S, I guess.
Oh yeah, here you go. Look. Right. There you go. So ETH, this is it. This is what we're trading. ETH up, yeah. So we're going to be trading ETH up on a lower time frame. Probably.
You want to give it a shot and try and explain the difference between ETH up and Ethereum, like regular Ethereum?
Bro, to be honest with you, I don't actually know the difference with the chart. Yeah, I don't know where this price is derived from. I don't know where that price is derived from, but this is a lot more volatile if you're trading ETH up. But the reason we're trading ETH up is because when we take a position on ETH up, we buy a token in Binance called ETH up as well. Yeah. So when you buy ETH, the ETH up token, it's a leverage token, and what it does is it's got built-in leverage. So the leverage is variable. It's between 1.4 and 3%. Yeah, or 3x. Sorry, 1.4% and 3%. Sorry, 1.4 times or 3 times leverage is built into the token. So the good thing with that is you can't get fucking liquidated. So let's say we're in a trade. Yeah, let's say this is the market right now. Boom. And right, so let's say you're in the market right now. We see the pullback. Yeah, let's say, we saw a little pullback here. Let's say we saw a little pullback here, yeah? So we decide to try and get in down here somewhere. If price goes up there and then comes back, we've bought a token that you can't get liquidated. If you use normal leverage, yeah, 3x leverage, that means you get liquidated 3 times quicker than it is going to 0. So let's say if you buy a Ethereum at $1,000, if you've got a 3x leverage token, if it drops to 70, you've been liquidated. Your money's gone. Yeah. With the ETH up token, if it goes against you, yeah, you don't get liquidated. Your balance just goes low and low and low, and it adjusts, so you never get liquidated. So if it pulls down to here and you fuck up, and we don't get it right, because we don't get it right every time, we get it right probably 60% of the time. If price comes down here, guess what? You just leave it until it goes back up, because we know we're in a bull market, right? So the good thing is, if you buy down here with the token, yeah, 3x leverage token, and price goes up to there because it can do, that's a day later, yeah. Look, in Ethereum, that's gone up 30%.
One thing we'll look at. I'm gonna switch to my screen for just a minute now. I'm gonna clear the chart, remove the drawings. This is obviously the Bitcoin versus dollar. Let's go to another coin. Maybe let's look at Link. That's probably better. 1 hour chart, and what you can see is that usually when you get, that's a good indication as well. When you put on the volume indicator, you have that one just here. Certain volume, use this, and you get this on. This actually measures the volume inside the bars. So what you actually can do, use this as reference points, because we've been talking about this as well. These markets are so premature. Like, they're not very big money in this game yet, and usually big volume suggests that you either have a high or a low, like here. So obviously you maybe are looking to enter this market, but you don't want to enter it, and it just pukes down. This is 10. Yeah, this was in November. And then you get a high volume candle, and you just place the buy down here, and you ride the trend back up. And if you're doing that, let's say you want to get in here, That's a 22% just by making. If you just bought the coin, if you bought it with leverage, you would have made like 60%, 70% on that trade over the course of
exactly. So
days.
so when you start with trading, when we trade, we're going to trade on the 5-minute chart. That's what we're doing. We're trading on the 5-minute, because we want to trade live. So if you trade on the 1 hour, there's not going to be no fucking trades, So we're going to be trading on the 1 minute, the 5-minute. Ethereum, we're trading Ethereum up on the 5-minute. We're going to trade with leverage tokens. So we're going to start with $500. Simple. You start with $500. We can build it up. Start with $500. You can make 50% every week, I reckon. At the moment, you could make 50% a week just buying dips, yeah?
Yeah, buying dips.
So if you just buy the dips on ETH up, you can do it. So just trade with us. We're doing a live trading from probably, let's say, Wednesday. Yeah, what day is it today? So we're going to trade live from Wednesday or Thursday. But you need to do it. You need to be in a Discord. We're not going to do it. We're doing it live on here or in the Discord.
I haven't made up my mind yet. What do you think?
Cool. I don't know, but listen, guys. What you need to do is you need to get in the Discord. That's number one. So the link is in the description. Yeah, click that. Get in the Discord. That's what's going off. So in there, we're going to be trading live. We're going to be transparent. We're going to show you the fucking trades. We're going to show you the $500, all that type of stuff. So get in there. We do live trading Ethereum, taking 1 or 2 trades a day, and we're just going to build that up. Yeah, we'll start from small. There's no reason why this whole bull run you can't turn 1,000 into 10,000, 15,000. There's no reason you can't do that. So yeah, that's what we're planning on doing. So get in the Discord. Also, make sure you like this channel as well. Yeah, like the channel, subscribe, share it, and share the Discord link with your friends as well, your community, whoever, so we can all.
Up in BTC last week, and as you see here, like with the volume candles, like you can actually hit the bottom and get out quite nicely. And this was like a day; it rebounded quite a lot. So if you were to pick like at the bottom here, and you got 16%, so it's kind of not easy to like navigate the chart with the volume indicator on, I guess.
Sorry, one second.
For the DeFi projects, for me it's SNX, synthetic network.
DeFi. SNX is a big project. SNX is huge. SNX is an actual exchange. It's an decentralized.
You want, right?
Yeah, SNX is a decentralized derivatives exchange. So you can trade synthetics on there. So you can literally go in there and trade Tesla if you want.
Yeah.
With your Bitcoin, which is good because then you don't need access. Like if you want to trade stocks right now, you're in this crypto decentralized space, you can't. Synthetics allow you to do that, so you can trade Tesla, Google, all these stocks that you want to trade. You can do that, so it's perfect. Instead of fucking having another platform, you can trade crypto, forex, stocks, bonds, everything you can trade in that platform. Synthetics is very good. I don't actually use it.
How much leverage can you use? You know that?
I'm not fucking sure, mate. I'm not sure, but it's a good. I don't know what the actual exchange is called. Is it synthetics or? One sec.
I actually linked, but you can't get link wrong now. I was skiing with a friend. Maybe he's watching as well. He's a big crypto fan. So I was saying this is about to go a lot more higher. But if this price comes back the nearest week to this area here, I will be filling my bags hard. But there's a difference in how we get the retrace, but because you could say there's a lot of orders laying around here, so there's a lot of buy momentum. You could actually watch the blocks and stuff like that inside Binance as well if you want to. But if the price comes down like this, like not like this, but pretty hard, then you don't want to take the trade. But if you see something like a descending channel into this, I'm more than happy to take this trade with leverage to the upside again, because you can see this is how the markets move, and it pulls back, moves up, pulls back, moves up, pulls back. That you would agree with me, Daniel, that this also shows that these markets are getting better and better to trade, that you actually see some patterns inside it.
Yeah, 100%. You got to remember, eventually, I don't know if any of you trade Forex or whatever, but eventually these markets will mature and they'll move just like Forex. Reason being is the reason that they're so easy to trade and everything's all good right now is because there's no institutions in there. There's no banks or real institutions really. Once the markets mature in like 3, 4, 5, 6 years, whatever, markets will be moving a lot different. The banks will get their algorithms in there and they'll fucking clean up and the market will be a mess. So right now,
when you
trade while you can and make all your money while you can until they wait and get in before the banks. That's all I got to say to you.
When you trade Forex, you can actually just do this. Okay, you have a trend up, and then you break this high here, and you come back and you take the trade, and you do the same thing, enter again. You push up, have a high, you enter again when you come down, push up, make a new high. When you broke the high, pull back, enter. So you can actually trade it like this is how the market moves.
Yeah, this is exactly how it moves. I'm just trying to find.
I'll talk about FX because I'm getting more and more sick of FX.
Yeah, I hate it.
Yeah, I haven't even looked at a chart.
Yeah, I hate FX. I fucking hate it.
Let's be honest.
What's that?
Euro USD.
Bro, fuck it.
Have a look at this move. This is from the start of January. It's moved 2.3%. Obviously, you use a lot of leverage in FX. That's the difference. But then again, your stop's gotta be so tight.
Yeah, exactly. But guys, listen, if you do want, if anyone does want to trade Forex and does want exposure to the Forex market, me and Joe, we've been developing Forex algorithms for the past 2 years. So we've got a really, really good algorithm that we've shared the get in our Discord group, and there's a section in there called Premium Algorithms. Click on there, and you can scroll to the top, and you can log in, and you can see our algorithm in practice. You can see what's done and see like the games and stuff like that.
No, your sound is bad, mate. Sound is bad. It's like lagging. You might want to. Can you hear me? But anyways, yeah, what you saying? You probably want to get in and out. Oh, out and in again. But then again, in a project like Litecoin, the forgotten coin, it's moved 20% just by holding it from the start of the year. So he went out. I guess he's coming back in again soon. Anyways, Link. I reckon this will go a lot higher. A lot higher. The highs were made here during August. Pull back, and we started to run again from like 7. I remember speaking to someone, I want to get in a tree, Yeah, but that train has passed. And the question now is, for this run, has the train passed to get in at 20? It's a big move down as well. So if that's going to happen, yeah, probably too much to ask for. I'm going to see if he's getting it back on. So we've been actually making some bots as well. Simple buy the dip bot. So every time you get a pullback, and you need to measure the pullback, and it's obviously only 1 minute, so it's quite bigger. So this also uses the volume. So as you can see here, the volume down here, pretty big. The fall off, pretty big as well. 2 seconds, guys. I'm just gonna help Daniel get back in. Guess it should be here soon.
Yo.
Right.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I don't know what happened there. It's fucking a bit dodgy. Yeah, what was I gonna say? Yeah, so Joe, did you add any more pairs on the Forex algo for them to look at?
Nah, I was thinking of we should do that like after this quick live.
Yeah, so guys, what you do is get in the Discord group. On the side, there's a folder called Premium Trading Algorithms. Click on that. Scroll to the top. You can see our back test, and then there's actually the login details. So you can log into our system and you can see it working live. We're making about 5-10% a month at the moment, so log into that, have a good look. And if you want to connect your algorithm to our system, just give us a message, let us know, and we can sort it out for you.
Yeah, perfect. We'll just skip it out there when we're ready. Should we end this call now?
Yeah, we'll end this.
Guys, we're gonna do some live trading later the week. That's gonna be fun.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna be. Don't forget to follow the Discord, subscribe on Twitch, YouTube, get in the Discord group, share the link. We're gonna be doing live trading on Wednesday. Yeah, so we'll see you guys then.
Sayonara.
Take care, guys.